Are you dipping your toe in this water?
We've done a few in cast iron pieces, and you have absolutely loved them. We partnered with Henning Lee because what we hear time and time again is we love the patterns, we love the prints, we love the way you think about products. We also want some of these great stoneware, these great cast iron pieces at, again, a crazy good price.
Again, brand new today. Okay, so here's what we did. It's brand new today, and we didn't bring it in at our $88 price. We brought it in at $8 less. So we bring you new. We don't slap the highest price we can on it. We put a sale price on it. We gave you 4 easy payments of $20. Colors look like this. This is the red.
Yes.
And it comes with a spoon. Obviously, the lid, the quart, the 3-quart cast iron, the lid, the look and see lid, and the spoon. Here it is in your black. That's so pretty. There's a gray and a blue. Super easy, simple.
Exactly.
4 colors.
Right.
Don't overthink it. The point is, you want this on your stove. New today, expiring price. Price goes up, easy pay goes away at the end of the day. This is Tara Tesher, if you're just joining us. Delving into the land of, cookware in a real way.
Real serious
So tell us
cookware,
about Henning Lee, because you're talking about them and what's their reputation in this space.
So what I love about Henning Lee is they think about product like we do. They take kind of all of the cooking conveniences that we love, and they keep thinking about all the different ways to make it even better, right? Like, this is a great cook and look lid, but notice just by adding that silicone here, it actually hugs that great cast iron. You know how a lot of times you hear the lid like crash on it? No, this actually hugs that baker, which we love.
Nice seal.
That nice finial here that you have on top makes it really easy to take things on and off. The helper handles here on the side. And then that great Spoonula.
Silicone, right?
That
Is it all silicone?
It's all silicone that you see there. Yes, and it actually has like a solid core on the inside, which gives it that great detail and, again, that great strength. But here's what we love, being able to do things like short ribs, right? In our stoneware, we can't braise things, right? It doesn't go on the stove top. But here, can we just talk about short ribs? One of my absolute, look at that even heating all the way around in the short ribs. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add in some of our vegetables. We're gonna put this in the oven. Listen, it's oven safe up to 450 degrees.
Am I adding
and
this?
So is the lid. Yes,
I am adding this. Yes, I am.
Yes, you are.
I'm
Thank
pouring
you,
that.
my friend.
Yep. Okay. Let's try not to spatter, but
so you can spatter.
Yeah.
Spatter away.
Okay.
Spatter away. Okay.
That
and then,
looks amazing.
Doesn't that look great? And
Yeah.
now, through the magic of television,
I'm
going to take this one out,
Yeah.
put that one in, and we are good to go. This is it finished. I'll grab that for you.
Okay.
All right.
It wasn't actually too hot, but look at how amazing that is.
Right?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I love the cook and look lid. You also have a little steam hole, steam release that's happening right here. Yep.
And then look at this. This is what we love about cooking with,
And the crap
of
goes
course, cast iron. Literally, the meat is so tender, it falls right off the bone because you're able to, again, cook it low, slow, in the oven, and everything is beautiful, and you started it on your stovetop in that great braise.
I'm just holding it because I'm wondering how much it weighs. Because again, it's enamel and cast iron.
Yes.
It's 3-quart, so you again, it's cast iron, so you have some heft to it, but not overwhelming at all.
Right.
It's nice.
That non-stick on the inside there, which we love. Look how beautiful that is. And then that gorgeous tempered glass lid that has the, you hear that?
Yeah.
Notice how you didn't hear the clanging?
Nope.
It drives me crazy. It's
Yeah,
these
it's
little
quiet.
simple touches that make it so versatile and so easy. And then that gorgeous finial on the lid, the Spoonula also included. Like, you're literally getting this
so
home
nice.
and you're ready to just start cooking out of the box.
I'm also thinking, though, cast iron for under $80. What in the world with the enamel inside?
Yes.
Here's what I find with cast iron with enamel inside is that I'm a better cook.
Yes.
The food comes out
You're
better.
foolproof.
The sauces come out better. Right. I'm not burning things like I normally do.
Right.
Like when they say that you have to make your onions glassy sheer, usually I burn those bad boys.
Of course.
Not in cast iron, right? I mean, usually they're just burned. They're like, no, I don't know how to do that.
3 dozen meatballs,
Look at
by the
that.
way. If you're thinking like capacity 3-quart, like this is the Goldilocks size and such an incredible value for that beautiful cast iron with the interior and the lid. And the Spoonula.
And so colors over here, really quickly, is there's the red, there's the black, the gray is very popular, said Mike in my ear, and then there's also the navy.
I love that navy.
K99921 is your item number. We've got the bigger ones that takes 2 people and 2 handles to kind of move over to the stove. That's not what this is. Lisa, I saw you coming over here for a second. Did you have like an update on what people are saying?
Everybody is absolutely loving this piece.
Okay.
And here's what they love about it.
Okay, yeah.
They love the size.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
love the shape and the silhouette. And nobody has ever seen this silicone kind of guardrails, Hugh.
Yeah.
And they're loving it.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's talk about that size,
Yeah.
3-quart. It could
Yeah.
have been bigger, could have been
Sure.
4.5 quarts, could have
This
been
is
a
your
little
everyday
smaller.
size,
Okay,
right?
got
This
it.
is like if you have a big family, right? 3 dozen meatballs. If you're just getting a pot of soup on the stove, fantastic. You want to braise your short ribs. You saw we had 4 great short ribs in there. So again, it's kind of that Goldilocks size. There's your Spoonula, BPA free, again silicone, and it has that nice thick core here. And the print is on the front, which is great. This is also dishwasher safe, your Spoonula.
nice.
But look at that, rapid boil. But notice it's boiling evenly. That's what we love about cast iron. Helper handles here on the side make it easy to take it in and out of the oven. And then that whisper quiet lid that has that silicone seal that really makes sure it's on there.
And again, we're looking at this on the stove. I would say in the summertime, you're going to put your big, huge potato salad
Yes,
and your
you
macaroni
are.
salad. You could even, with 3 quarts, put some ice on the
Yes.
bottom and
Sure.
stick some little things
Sure.
in there if you
Yes.
needed to keep chilled.
Yes.
Some shrimp or something like that.
Absolutely.
So 3 quarts is a really great, good, manageable size. 4 easy payments of $20. Again, I'm thinking about cast iron with enamel inside at under 80. That's a run. Don't walk.
True story.
And you know that if your grandma cooked with cast iron, you know that you can really burn with
Those
it. As they like to
cowboys
say.
cooked with
Those
cast
cowboys
iron.
cook with cast iron. Brand new today, though the price goes up, the easy pay goes away at the end of the day. So don't miss out on that. Like, do yourself a favor. Plus, if you've got birthdays coming up, holidays that are coming up right now, now is the time. Okay, if you're just joining us, it's 11:30 here on the East Coast, and we have Temp-tations, a brand that has been here. I mean, Tara, how long now? For how many years?
23
That's what I thought.
years.
So longer, a little longer than me.
a little bit longer.
I've been here 14.